Hey, just making sure I'm at the right place. Is this you right here? Okay, I'm Chase.
I'm Bree.
Nice to meet you, Bree.
Nice to meet you.
Are you a nurse or what do you do?
I'm a medical tech.
Cool.
Yeah.
There you go.
I locked it back. I'm sorry.
You locked the keys back in the car?
No. Jump back up. I'm sorry.
You're fine. Let me get my tools back out. We'll unlock it again.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. All right, try your other door now. There you go.
What's your name?
Chase.
Chase.
You see, I'll just type in my phone number.
Okay. Did you get it?
I did.
Okay, awesome.
All right, it was nice meeting you. I hope we don't have to see you again.
Yeah, me too.
All right, just let me know. Give me a call.
Okay, appreciate it.
No problem.